A lot of times we do not validate ourselves enough, right? We don't appreciate ourselves enough. We don't do enough for ourselves when we make great accomplishments. I had an interesting conversation today. And so if you're watching this and you're somebody that has done some great things and you don't celebrate yourself enough, I want you to stop for a second and celebrate you. Pat yourself on the back, because guess what? The more you acknowledge your own accomplishments and pat yourself on the back, it's going to push you to go harder and harder, because you're going to feel the joy from what you're doing. So give yourself a little bit more acknowledgement. You deserve that. Come on, y'all. Let's pat ourselves on the back, because we do epic shit, right?